Okay, so here I have sticky hoop already engaged. I have 2 napkins that I've hooped, and I just stitched, excuse me, a basting guide so that you could see this was my first one. And I stuck it down and I start in the back of the hoop. So here's my attachment, right? So this is the back of the hoop. If you were sitting in front of at the machine, you would be down here, and this is behind the needle. So I've stitched number 1. And, you know, if I was really monogramming these, the monogram would be inside. And then I fold that over, and then I stitch the second one. And now I'm going to fold these up, use a little bit of painter's tape to hold that down in place. And the same with this element, this corner. Okay, now, look how easy. Oh my goodness gracious. So I know how big this is, right? It's about 3 inches in height. So I just want to make sure that I'm going to clear that. And clearly I am. That's probably 3 inches from the center to the top. And my whole design is 3 inches. So I know I have good clearance. And then I'll stitch that design. And then I'll fold this over and take the next one and repeat and fold that down, stitch that design. And then we're going to tape this up, and we're going to be able to get 2 more. So we'll be able to do 6 napkins with this size embroidery design in this hoop. I think this is an 8 by 12. And if you were, really trying to conserve stabilizer, what have you, you could probably get 8 napkins on here, and you would do the same, fold it over, and then repeat. Isn't that awesome?